What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing this look right here, using this Moira Dream Series palette that I received in a bag, because look at it, it's gorgeous. So I just want to get on and play with it and kind of use some of the different things I got in different bags this month. But if you're interested, then let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so holy crap, that is a lot of blush that I have on. Let's try and diffuse it a little bit, maybe. Turn my light down. Alright, so this is what we're gonna do, y'all. We're gonna go ahead and use this palette right here. This is the Moira Dream Series palette. And so if you watched last month's YOY bag, you'll have seen that I did that when I was in California. But this is it right here. And so these two, if you remember, this one and this one right here were broken, so I had to like press them in, and they were really soft and buttery, so it wasn't any issue at all. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just grab a couple of eyeshadow brushes and then we'll get started. So let's grab these, and I'm gonna go in first into this like camel colored one, which is called Dreamlike. I'm gonna go ahead and buff it in my crease. This is like a really nice camel color, and it's coming on really nice onto the eyes. Alright, so I'm going to go a little bit further down, but I'm going to use this shade right here. It's called La La Land. It's a little bit deeper. I'm still going to be in the crease, but I'm just going to go a little bit further down and just kind of blend that in. But anyways, first things first, what do y'all think of my hair? I just got it cut and I'm like loving it. So I'm gonna go back into Dreamlike, which is that camel color, and just kind of buff out my edges. Because I still want that color to be seen. So looking pretty good. I'm gonna go out on the outer edge. Let's go out on the outer edge with Trance, which is this one right here. Okay, and then I'm gonna go, let's go ahead and take this one that I smushed in. It's called Keep On. I'm gonna try it with the brush and then we'll see how it works. And I might use my fingers, because on my fingers it was absolutely stunning when I was pressing it back in. Oh wow, can y'all see that? Look how stunning that is, y'all. I'm gonna go back and deepen my outer V's again. Just kind of mesh those two colors together. And then I'm gonna go back into La La Land, which is that little bit deeper shade, and just kind of buff. I'm gonna go in Dreamlike and La La. And just buff that right there. What do y'all think? Pretty good so far, huh? Alright. So, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna take... I wonder what this would look like on the eyes. This green. It's super creamy. And this one is from Appeal, which I have been like loving their stuff lately. What do y'all think? And then I'm gonna go on top right here with the Studio Pro because it's so thin. I love how thin it is. Alright. And I'm going to go back into the Trance, which is that deep plum kind of shade, and just kind of brush it along there. And then I'm going to go back into this brush and go into my two crease shades, which was Lala and Dreamlike. And just kind of buff. This was like, seriously like the most perfect like under eye buffing brush ever invented. Oh, I've got some fallout. What are y'all thinking? So far, so good. That was this little palette right here. I'm going to curl my lashes. And then I'm going to try out this new mascara that came in the same bag, which is this one right here. It's the Belle Pierre Volume Lash Waterproof Mascara. So this is what it looks like. And then this is the wand. It's more of that like rubber tip kind of wand. So I'm not really feeling this one. Well, to be honest, I think it might be better as like a bottom lash mascara. Okay, I'm gonna go back and do this Tristique mascara. I got, oh, wrong way. I got it in a boxy charm box. And I love it. It like really gives me what I want with my lashes, so. I got mascara on my under eye. Really see that? Like, I just felt like this gave it so much more volume than the other one did. Okay, I think what I'm gonna do. Y'all, why not do that? Because your girl is dumb as a rock, that's why. Alright. Alright, that looks a lot better. Where's my powder brush? You gotta be kidding me right now. I think that's a little bit better. Alright, so we've got that on. Let me do my brows. And then we will spray the face. And I'm going to use this Ofra setting spray. All right. What do y'all think? I think this turned out really good. We did forget lips, so let's do lips. Okay, we're gonna use this Ofra liquid lipstick in Bel Air. What do y'all think? I think it turned out really good. Not too bad. My blush wasn't as bad as I thought it was. So, I'm pretty happy about that. But, anyways, y'all, that completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload a video. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye, y'all.